Hello, good morning. Okay, good evening, everyone. If you joined, please mention your name in chat box so I can see. Hello, I can see Vinayak 7B. Very good, Vinayak. Please mention your name, good name. Okay, good evening, everyone. Hello, good morning. Okay, good evening, everyone. If you joined, please mention your name in chat box so I can see. Hello, I can see Vinayak 7B. Very good, Vinayak. Please mention your name, good name. Okay, good evening, everyone. Hello, good morning. Okay, good evening, everyone. If you joined, please mention your name in chat box so I can see. Hello, I can see Vinayak 7B. Very good, Vinayak. Please mention your name, good name. Okay, good evening, everyone. Hello, good morning. Okay, good evening, everyone. Okay, ready? So I can see 16 participants are there. Vinayak, okay, from 7B, and BTS Army, Anushka Agarwal 7E, uh, Shubhesh from 7A, Preet, okay, PS Film, Arushi Bajaj from class 7, and Ayush Kumar from 7E, Gunja Agrawal, good morning. It's not morning, it's evening. Anukalp, okay, who is this? Brainstorm, Saksham, okay. Charchita, okay, good evening. Preet Singh, Ayushi Bajaj from 7B, Anushka Agrawal again, Michelle Fatima, okay, Divyansh, blah blah blah, Divyansh, okay, and this Ansh Agrawal from 7B, Janvi Khandelwal 7A, Shakra, Pavan Ojha, okay, Anushka Agrawal, Manasvi Jain, Ansh Agrawal, good evening, Namasyu. Vinay sir is also there. Vinay sir, maths classes. Please everyone say hi to Vinay sir. Your favorite class, your favorite teacher Vinay Gupta sir is there. So please say hi to everyone, to Vinay sir. As Vinay sir is say hello to everyone. Hello Vinay sir, how are you? Deepesh, Janvi Khandelwal, okay. Daksh Singh. All the best for tomorrow. Dinesh sir is wishing you all the best for tomorrow. As tomorrow is the computer examination. Okay. See Vinay sir, your students are very uh, they love you actually. Na? All of them are say hi to you. Chalo. And Vinay sir is also wishing you all the very best for tomorrow and the upcoming examinations. Okay. So chalo, let's start. So as per the thumbnail, it is clearly mentioned that it is a doubt clearing session. So uh, you have to ask. You have whatever the doubt is. You have to ask. Okay. Ready? Let's start. Okay, chalo, let's start. Happy exam. Lavanya Kumar Seveni. Okay. Aradhya Gupta. Chalo, let's start. So as it is a doubt clearing session, so I need your doubts. If you have a doubt, so whatever the doubt is, you have to mention right now. Let's see who is the who will send me the first doubt. Who have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Please mention it right now. 17 students are there right now. Samriddhi, okay. So as I already told you that it is a doubt clearing session, so you have to be in online class with lots and lots of doubt if you have. So as I have, different between syntax and logical error. Okay, Akshat. Syntax and logical error. So the first questions come that syntax and logical error. Okay, from Akshat Institute. What is hyperlink? Okay. Please explain the special literals. What is block editor window? Hyperlink. What is hyperlink? Okay. A fact. So can you please explain difference between long literals and complex literals? Okay. What about class 9th? Okay. Class 9th. Class 9th actually very less number of students are asking for live sessions. That's why there is no live class. Okay. So it is only for class 7th only. So lots of questions are there. The very first question from Akshat Institute, that who is Akshat Institute? Difference between syntax and logical error. So let me start syntax and logical error. It is in the Python chapter. So let's see what is syntax error. This is the page. Okay, errors. So let me highlight. Now this is the little bit I can increase also. So this is called syntax error. Syntax error. Now what is syntax error? A syntax error will occur when these rules and regulations are violated. For examples, not these rules. Okay, now syntax error I am telling you. What is syntax error? Now syntax error is generally whenever you are not applying the correct syntax or correct format in Python language, then there is a syntax error. Suppose you can write print function in a capital letter. So according to Python, capital P is in the print function is not appropriate. So this is called syntax error. If you are not following the rules and regulation as per Python applied, then this kind of error will generate, and this error is called syntax error. Okay, got the point? Like look at the syntax, like invalid syntax. Type P is lowercase. See, it is mentioned print P is capital letter. So okay, so in the print function P is capital letter, that's why the syntax error. Now let's move for logical error. What is the logical error? Now this is logical error. As the name suggests, these errors are related to the logic of the program. if your logic of the program is incorrect, then this is called logical error. Okay, let's wait. Whose call is this? Let me see. Tanishk Srivastav. Okay, so this is called logical error. Okay, so as the name suggests, these errors are related to the logic of the program. These errors are also known as semantic errors. Okay, what errors? Semantic errors. These cause semantics error also. So there is a questions like semantics errors are also known as. So you can say logical errors. And logical errors means what? Logical errors means that if you perform some mistake in logic, like I hope you aware about, if any number is divided by 0, then the answer is infinite. So this is the logical mistake. The program will run, but after the run there is a logical error. Okay, got the point? This they cause the program to behave incorrectly, means program will run but program is not behaving correct. Okay, this is called logical error. Okay, now what is hyperlink? Next question, what is a fact zone? Hyperlink. सब लाइक ठोको जल्दी जल्दी. जेरी. ओके, चलो भाई लाइक मत करो, जब only you can see. Next question I can take, like what is hyperlink? Okay, so let's go for what is hyperlink. So let me move for this chapter, hyperlink. So this is the hyperlink chapter, images, links. So now see hyperlink. Okay, let me increase it. Now what is hyperlink? Now I will show you the live example. I'm showing the live example what is link. Suppose I can open any website like google.com. Okay, google.com. Now this is google.com, and you can see it is mentioned Hindi, you can see it is mentioned Bengali, you can see it is mentioned Google search, you can see I am feeling lucky, है ना, the microphone sign, the camera sign. Okay, these all are links. These all are what called links. Okay, like about sign, advertising, business, India, how search works. Okay, if you wish to know that how Google search works, then you have to click on this link. So these are called what? Links, or you can say hyperlinks. And when you click on any link, it will transfer you to another page. Like suppose I click on Hindi, now the page is coming in Hindi. देखो भारत आ गया, परिचय आ गया, विज्ञापन आ गया, व्यवसाय आ गया. Okay, when I click on English, now this page is converted to the English page. Okay, now suppose I am click on Google search, or I am feeling lucky. So when I click on I am feeling lucky, so see these kind of pages are appear. Okay, I am feeling lucky. Got the point? So this is called what? Hyperlink. So hyperlink is now coming back to the point. Now what is hyperlink? So let me. A website is a collection of web pages which are interlinked with each other and contains related information. These web pages are linked with the help of feature of HTML called hyperlink. So when pages are linked with a kind of text, this is called hyperlink. Okay, and I hope you are aware about there are two types of linking. First is interlinking and second is intralinking. Interlinking is also known as local link. Intralinking is also known as global link. Now my question to all of you, I hope you are aware about what is a local link and what is global link. Okay. So local link are those links which is connected in your same web page. Okay, suppose there is a website like Jaipuria website. I am opening Jaipuria Banaras. Okay, Jaipuria School Banaras. Now suppose I am click on this Banaras Padhao campus. Okay, Done. Now you can see lots of links are available, like about us, admissions, student excellence, Jaipuria Edge. Okay, so if I click on about us, so the different page you can see, like story, है ना, story, about school, journey, these school and trust details you can see. Correct. So as you can see, when I click on about us, the same page can open in the different page can open in the same website. This is called a local link. This is called what? Local link. Okay, and when I click on, and what is intralink or global link? Intralink or global link. Okay, so intralink or global link means, now see, suppose I wish to click somewhere else, like F, like suppose I wish to open Instagram with this option. See, so when I click on this option, Instagram, now the school Instagram link will open. Now this is the another website, so this is called a global link. Okay, so when I click on this is called global link. FB, Facebook, when I click on Facebook, so this is called a different page is open. Okay, so if the different website will open, then it is called what? Intralinking, global. And when the same website will open, it is called what? Interlinking. Chalo, very nice. Good morning. Okay, don't chat too much. Okay, it's disturbing. Chalo, next question. Okay, silence. Now next. Good evening, good morning, everything. How to do floor division? There's a question, how to do a floor division. Okay, floor division. Chalo, next question I can take. Sir, please can you explain protest of AI? Protest of AI? Who is this? Ranjana Sharma. Can you please explain protest of AI? What is protest of AI? Okay, let me take one question from this student blah blah blah. How to do floor division? Now how to do floor division? Okay, so for that I have to open Python first. So I'm opening a Python, and my Python is open, and I can click on this. Let me check the new file, and I am taking a variable like a is equal to 10. Okay, and I can use print, and print is equal to a floor division. This is called floor division 3. So if I wish to divide a variable a divide by 3, means 10 divided by 3. Now let's see the output. Okay, when I save it, save by any name, when I run it, now see the output 3.333333. Okay, but when I use the floor division, now only the integer part is there. Let's see, now the answer is 3 only. This is the benefit of floor division operator. This is the mathematical operator. Which one? This one. This is the mathematical operator class, and with the help of floor division or integer division, you can get the quotient of only integer part only. You will not get the decimal part. Okay, so this is called floor division. Okay, chalo, next doubt. Please write down your doubts one by one. Okay, okay, Pratibha Singh. Okay, silence. आरव सही बोला है. Okay, who is blah blah blah. Okay, what is the, okay, write down the doubts only. Okay, don't discuss too much, and if your friend have any doubts, so tell them to come. Okay, so now AA fact zone is, now let me take from someone else. Okay, Preet, sets. Logical error, sir, please explain again. Logical error, just I have explained, just logical error and sentence error. Next question, Preet, what is sets? Page number, if you know the page number, Preet, please mention. What is the use of input controls in the form? Arushi Bajaj. One by one, sir. What is sequence? What kind of questions are coming? What is sequence? Acha, sequence sets. Okay. Relational operator. Few questions I can see. What is sequence? Okay. What is sequence? Very page number 140 sets. Okay, page number 140 sets. Let me try for Preet questions. Okay, then I am coming Arushi. So page number 140. Page number 140. So page number 140. Okay, means this one. So page number 133, page number 140. Okay, sets. This is the question from Preet from 7B, that what is sets. So set is a mutable and unordered collection of values of any type with no duplicate elements. Let me tell you very easy that I hope you are agree with me that a variable can take only one value at a time. Like a variable a can hold a one value only, like a have a value 10. Correct? It means that a variable can hold a one value in a single time at a time. But suppose I wish to create a kind of variable which can hold multiple values in a same time, then we need a kind of a container which have different self, no? So like our almira have different self, and we can keep our belongings in the different self. Okay, same like that, there is a different kind of type of variable, you can say, or container, you can say, which can hold multiple values in a single time. In this, you can use a list, you can use tuples, you can use sets. Okay, so sets is a mutable, you can say, unordered collection of values. Unordered means whatever you can input, okay, it will not ordered. By default it is unordered. Okay, of any time with no duplicate elements, means you cannot input any kind of duplicate element. Sets. Okay, the concept of sets which belong to maths is very similar. Okay, so it is a kind of list which can hold multiple values in a time. No duplicate element will be allowed, no duplicate input will be values will be allowed. So this is called sets. Multiple values can hold. Okay, chalo, now I am taking a question from Arushi. What Arushi's question is? Arushi, please mention your question once again. Arushi's question is what? Page number 140. Done. Okay, sequence. What is the sequence? The same. Okay, after just set, there is a question from Arushi Bajaj 7B, that sequence. What is sequence? Okay, so sequence is also, you can see sequence. A sequence is an ordered collection. Now sets are unordered, but sequence are ordered. Ordered means it should be alphabetical or numbered from lower to upper. Okay, or smallest to greatest kind of numbers, collections of items of similar or different types of data. The three types of sequence data types are like string, list and tuples. Okay, string, list and tuples. So suppose sequence is a concept only, it is not practically you can apply, it is only a concept. Like a set is also a concept. Okay, you cannot apply like in the Python. So suppose in the sequence, suppose the same concept is going to be applied. Suppose in a in a single time, in a time you want to contain multiple values in a variable. So in the variable format it is not possible. In the variable format it is not possible, but in the variable format it is not possible, but in the sequence like list or string or tuples it is possible. Multiple values can be held in a one container, and these containers have one category which is called sequence, like list, like tuples. Okay, got it? So this is called what? Sequence. And it is also, who is this? So this is called what? This is called sequence. And one thing, it is what? It is you can store similar or different data types. Okay, and it should be ordered. It should be ordered. So this is called sequence. Chalo, next question, next doubt. Next doubt. Gunit, what is logical and error? Okay, I was late. Why you are late? Anita Kushwaha sir, explain string. Alright, string is very easy. String is what? String is a sequence of one or more characters. Okay, combination of characters are called what? String. Let's see. Like suppose A is a variable, and I can write my name like A is equal to Somik. A is equal to Somik, and when I'm going to print A, so it will print, see. Okay, so A is a variable which can hold string, and string is what? Somik is a string, or you can say text. So string is a combination of characters or sequence of characters. Okay, got it? Very easy. Next question. Next question please. Tuples. Okay, what are logical errors? Oh no, Gunit, no. Logical errors and syntax error. Okay, what is sets? Lavanya book mein pad lo. Okay, Mrs. Galsar, I have doubt in logical operators, not if one operator is true or not. Okay. What is tuple? Sir, worksheet is a combination of rows and columns. Worksheets? No, cell is a combination of rows and columns. Okay. Now AA fact zone is asking for another question. What is the question? AA fact zone. What is tuple? From question from Lavanya. What is tuple? Now let me yes, what is tuples? Tuple is also a sequence. Lavanya, this one, see, tuple. A tuple is just like a list. Tuple is just like a list. It contains a group of elements that can be different data type. Okay, the elements in the tuple are supported by commas and enclosed in parentheses. Okay, the difference between list and tuples, that list can be modified but tuples cannot be modified. Okay, now let's see. Like suppose you have a one variable like A. So A can hold one value only, but in the tuple you can take multiple numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I can save it, and when I run it, now see, now you can see a variable. Suppose it is tuple, so tup. Okay, tup. So tuple is a kind of container which can hold multiple values in a same time. Okay, so this is also a category under what? Category under this one, that concept, sequence. Category under sequence. Okay, so you can see tup, there is a kind of variable which is called tup or tuple, and under this I can use parenthesis and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever number you can write, like random number like 10, 100, 21, sorry, 100, 21, 300, 3, and when I want to print, just run it and you can see the output. Okay, this is called what? Tuples. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. Okay, let me restart my camera first, as it is not working. Okay, now it is working. Let me set my camera first. Yes. Yeah, now I can, now you can see. Correct? Yes. So the next question is what? Okay, Gunit, what are operands? Okay, very good, operands. So next question from Python. You are asking from the same chapter. Okay, no issue. Like suppose there is a one variable a is equal to 10. Suppose there is one variable like b is equal to 20, and when I can use c is equal to a plus b, and when I use print 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 c. Now you can see in this line, Gunit, c is equal to a plus b. Okay, so c is a operand, a is a operand, and b is a operand. This is called variable. As well as when it comes in operation, so the form of variable is now changed to operand. C is equal to c, a, and b. These are operands. And what is the operator? Equal to is the operator, plus equal, plus is also an operator. Plus is a mathematical operator, and equal to is a what? Initialize. Sorry, what kind of operator? Assignment operator. Equal to is a assignment operator, and plus is a mathematical operator. Okay, Gunit. So C, A, and B are operands. Next question. Shantani boy. Sir, what is Boolean? Okay, what is Boolean? Now suppose uh, A is less than B. Suppose I can write one question from this person, Sanatani boy. Okay, Sanatani boy. What is Boolean? So suppose A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to A less than B. Now, in this operation, there is a condition. A is less than B, and this condition is true. This condition is true. The output of this condition is true. So true go to C. Now C become a variable which can hold a value which is true. So if any variable can hold a true value or false value, then this is called Boolean. This is called Boolean. When I run it, the answer is true. See, the answer is true. So now C is a variable which can hold Boolean value. This is called true. So true is a data type. Sorry, Boolean is a data type which can hold only two types of data, either true or false. Okay, Sanatani boy. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ए फैक्ट जोन. बाय सर, आई एम गोइंग. आपने आपने से ही पढ़ ले रहे हैं. ओके ओके, वेरी नाइस. बाय सर, आई एम गोइंग, अपने से ही पढ़ ले रहे हैं. अच्छा अच्छा, चलो. वन आई हैव टू टेक मल्टीपल क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मल्टीपल स्टूडेंट्स ना. सो इज इट नॉट फेयर दैट आई कैन टेक ओनली योर क्वेश्चंस. लावण्य सर, व्हाट इज इंटीजर? Any other questions? Harshit Singh, very good. What is Boolean? Sanatani boy, I just explained what is Boolean. Ravi Shankar Kesri, not operators. What is integer or long? Okay, what is integer long? Tanmay Singh, sir, what is HTML doc type? Very good question. Hello, I am back. A fact zone is back. Okay, sir, please tell difference between syntax and errors. Syntax errors and logical errors. Okay, difference between what? HTML doc type from Tanmay. Complex literals, Arushi Bajaj. Complex literals, okay, just Arushi, just let it be, okay, because these are not, these questions are, I don't think so it will come. Tanmay Singh, HTML doc type. Relational operator from Amazing Facts. HTML doc type from Tanmay Singh, okay. Okay, what is complex literals? Arushi Bajaj, no. Tanmay, HTML doc types and relational operator. Chalo, relational operator. So Vinayak, you can see this is relational operator, this one. Okay, like less than sign or greater than sign or greater than equal to or less than equal to. These are called relational operators. Okay, relational operators or comparison operators. These can compare or mention the relation between two operands. Okay, so this is called relational operators. Next question from Tanmay Singh. Tanmay asked me, sir, what is doc type? Okay, now let's see what is doc type. So doc type is doc type. What is doc type? So doc type is whenever you are creating an HTML, okay, in the very first line it is mentioned doc type. Doc type means it will tell you that what kind of document is this. So it is always, whenever you are creating an HTML page, it will always mention doc type HTML. You can see what is mentioned there, doc type HTML. I hope you can see there also. See, doc type HTML. See, doc type HTML. Now why it is mentioned doc type HTML? So doc type HTML means this HTML, this document is a kind of HTML file. Okay, so when HTML5 version came, so it came with the very first line, it will come with a doc type HTML. It means it will tell you that the whatever the page you are going to create, it is a HTML file. Okay, चलो वेरी नाइस. AR फैक्ट सर एग्जाम में कौन कौन सा क्वेश्चन आएगा? वेरी नाइस. नॉट टेलिंग यू सर. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉम्प्लेक्स लिटरल एंड लॉन्ग लिटरल? ओके, कॉम्प्लेक्स लिटरल्स एंड लॉन्ग लिटरल्स. ना लेट्स सी complex literals and long literals. Okay, so in Python you can go to the this page. So this one. Okay, now see. So these are called long literals. Now long literals are these kind of literals or values. Suppose you wish to take a very huge number of data, like your PAN card number, your Aadhaar card number, your credit card number, your debit card number, your mobile number. These all numbers are coming with 8 digits, 10 digits, 16 digits, 20 digits. Okay, so whenever these numbers you want to take, so integer have some limit actually. So unit integers have some limits. Okay, so integer cannot take that much data. Integer can take only 6 to 7 digit numbers only. So that's why you need to take long. Okay, like 8, 9, 6, 7, 5, L. So L is showing you that it is a long literals. And the next is called complex literals. Now what is complex literals? So complex literals is complex numbers are those numbers which is combination of imaginary numbers. Okay, imaginary numbers and imaginary numbers. Okay, like 12j. So j is an imaginary number, 12i or 12j. So complex number is a combination of two types of numbers, which is a kind of number plus imaginary numbers. Okay. So this complex number done, some imaginary numbers which is not defined earlier. So this is called complex number. Lavanya sir, what is hyperlink with CSS? Hyperlink, just I told you in the beginning of the class. Use of input controls, AA fact. Okay, AA fact zone. What is the use of input controls in the form? Now let's go to input controls. Okay, so these are the chapters, input controls. Next question. And now this is called form. Now why I have to take form? Let me show you one very good example. So suppose I am in the Jaipuria school website, and when I click on refresh the page, when I refresh the page, the page is coming. Okay, and the page is coming with an online inquiry, you can see. So when I click on online inquiry, a kind of form I can see, so when I fill this form, and submit this, so my filled data is going to Jaipuria website server. Okay, so the form is very beneficial for us to take the user input. Suppose you like Google form, है as teachers send you the Google form for the input. Otherwise it is very hard to mention your data in Excel file. So it is very easy to send you a Google form, and you can just apply your mobile number, name, whatever, है so this is called form. So form is a very useful thing in web page or website to take the input. Okay, so that you need a kind of forms elements. Like the very first thing, you need to create a form tag, and form tag have a name attribute, action attribute, methods attribute. Okay, and input controls, different input controls are there. I am giving you one again example I am giving you. Okay, so when I click on this Jaipuria website, yeah, online admission, now you can see this is text box, student name text box. Now what is this? Select class. So when I click on the class, so different types of class are there. So this is not text box, this is called combo box, or you can say drop down list. Okay, again father name text box, email ID text box. Now gender, this is again drop down list. Okay, now remarks. Now this is not the text box, this is called text area. Okay, text area. There is a input control. Now you can see this is again a radio button for academic year 2024. Now you can see a date of birth calendar. So this is not the text box, this is input control of date input control. So different types of input control you can see, and the last is the submit button. So these are the combination of input controls. With the help of these controls you can create any HTML form. Okay, these are input controls. So I hope I am clear. A fact zone, where are you? Chalo, Harshit Singh sir, code will come in exam. Yes, why not? Sir, code will come. Sir, what is future prospect of AI? Very easy question. So it's very easy. What is the future prospects of AI? So when I come to the future of AI chapter, so when I click on this, so the evaluation of AI means these are talking about the waves, first wave, second wave, and third wave. So what my suggestion is, don't go for the exercise. You just read the whole chapter once, okay, and you will get all kind of answers. Okay, you will get all kind of answers, like first wave mein kya hua, second wave mein kya hua. Future prospect of AI, I mean in the future, what artificial intelligence can do, or what is the benefit in the future. So very first is automated transportation, like this company, what, Tesla is already created lots of self-driven car. So automated transportation system will be improved. Okay, safety and security means lots and lots of cameras and surveillances are there. As you can see in your school, there are multiple cameras in all around the school, and there is one room which is called surveillance room. Okay, and there is a one person who can always check the CCTV camera always. Okay, so because of the security purpose, so suppose there should be no one in the surveillance room. Okay, no one have in the surveillance room, but the artificial intelligence can detect the that camera only which have some, जहाँ पे लगे कि यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, या फिर यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा भीड़ है बच्चों का, या फिर यहाँ पे खाली क्यों है, यहाँ पे खाली होना नहीं चाहिए था इस समय इस पीरियड में, है ना. So this is called artificial intelligence safety and security. Okay, so camera will automatically detect, the system will automatically detect that why these students are not there in the classroom in this lesson, even this is the Hindi lesson, and why these are not there, the students are not there. So this is called future prospect. Next is like traffic management. The traffic light system will be automatically ऑन एंड ऑफ. ओके, एज पर द ट्रैफिक. जैसे अभी क्या होता है कि 30 सेकेंड्स रेड होता है तो फिर 30 सेकेंड ग्रीन हो जाता है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ नॉट द गुड ऑप्शन. ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जिस साइड से ज़्यादा क्राउड आ रहा है वहाँ 50 सेकेंड का ग्रीन हो, और जहाँ से कम आ रहा है वहाँ पे 30 सेकेंड का ग्रीन होना चाहिए, है कि नहीं. सो इस टाइप का अगर ट्रांसपोर्ट में ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट हो तो और अच्छा होगा. So these are called what? Future prospect of AI. Okay, smart homes and cities are also there. When you just enter the room, the lights will all will open. So this can be also done. AA fact zone. Which tag can be used in add image in HTML? IMG tag. Okay. Any other question, please? What is intelligent security? Intelligent security, Lavanya, I have just explained. I hope you understand, Lavanya. Next question. Sarvagya, what is the benefit of automated transformation? Transformation or transportation? Sarvagya Singh, please correct. How will we define hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link which is useful in web page and which is used to connect a one page to another page. It is used for linking. There are two types of link, interlinking and intralinking, local and global. Example of iframe. Okay, new question from Ravi Shankar Keshri. I hope it's Rudra. Example of iframe. Now let's see iframe. चलो ये देखते हैं, iframe देखते हैं, ठीक है. So let's go from the image option, and you can see the iframe option. These are the iframes. So before that you can just see the output. Okay, now suppose there is a one web page and you can see multiple websites. Okay, multiple website you want to see. Means one page there is a YouTube and another page it should be in the Google. Then you can use what? Iframes. Okay, so iframes or frames are useful to store multiple web pages or to display the multiple web pages or websites, in a single web page. Then we can use iframes. Okay, next question please. What is the full form of computer? Very good question, Atharv Keshri. Okay, sir, explain iframes and frames. Just I explained right now. A fact, which tag can be used to add image? I told you a fact, img tag. Next question please. What is the arithmetic operators? What is the arithmetic operator? What is arithmetic? Nakshatra, I think. Arithmetic operators. Okay, Nakshatra, I hope it's Naksh 10K. So arithmetic operators are those operators which is useful to perform arithmetic operations like plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, Next question, Nafisa, explain the special literals. Any other questions? Any other questions? How to insert hyperlink in HTML, sir? Please tell. Any other question? Please explain self-reflection of CHAI. Self-reflections. Next question, benefit of automated transportation. Yes, benefit of automated transportation is that when there is no driver, so suppose there is a one Ola cab is coming to you and there is no driver, so the car itself asks you for pin and there is no driver, there is a self-driven car, and you can, after giving the OTP, you can sit and the car will drive to your destination, and you just sit at the back of the car, and the car will let you go to the destination, and you will, after you reaching, you just pay the money to the server with the help of Google Pay or whatever. So there is no any driver. Okay, so imagine that. So this is the kind of future of aspect of future prospect of AI, and this is the advanced transportations. Okay, two attributes of border property, very easy. Two attributes AA fact zone, like border color and border width. Chalo. So I hope it is okay for you. I hope it is done for today, and now you need to okay, so now you need to go to revise the chapter thoroughly. Okay, very best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much to join, and I hope I am able to give you lots and lots of information, and I hope I am able to clear your doubts. Okay, now lots of now time is there, you have to revise thoroughly. Okay, so go ahead. I wish you all the very best for tomorrow exam and upcoming examinations. Okay, and still if you are facing, so you can write me on the same thing, the doubt, any questions. If you have doubt, you can write down in the chat box, in the comment box, or I am also available in the WhatsApp also. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to revise in the page number 152 and 153 and 151. Thank you so much. Take care. Good night. I'm going to end this meeting. Tata, bye bye.